Hi guys, it's me, founder and CEO of GoPro. It was GoPro, right? Shoot. GoPro, sorry. Today, I'm proud to announce that we have copied and pasted the GoPro 10. I'm proud to announce the releasement of the GoPro Hero 11 Black, Gray, Silver, Plus, Deluxe, Ultra, Mega, 2, Mini, Pro, Exclusive, GoPro. Wait a second. Why was the name that long? I feel like I was reading a story there. Maybe next time we should lower the title. Why did we make the title that long? That was not very good, Yeah, so the GoPro 11 now will break easily. So you can get a new one now. It's the trend, so speaking. So, Samsung's doing it, so I can't wait because they create cameras too. So the cool thing about this is we've increased it a 0.1K stronger. It is now 5.4K. Basically 4K. But you guys are too stupid to notice because you guys don't complain ever in the comments. And anyway, other than that, we're proud to announce the releasement of our new app, GoPro Quick Sarcasm.
Oh my God, bro.
This allows you to record a 5-minute video and put it on there, and it'll take 5 hours to upload. See, we emphasize that word sarcasm. Describes it a little better. Hey, I don't think... Guys, why did we name it Sarcasm again? I don't think that's a good title. Plus, why does it take that long to export a 5-minute video? Dang it. Guys, listen to me next time. Anywho, we're proud to announce the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. And that looks like this. Why did you guys present those photos? That's not even nothing like the GoPro 11 Mini. Give me that!